we are into hair transplants since last 19 years. As DNCC, we have done more than 2 crore and 20 lakh roots within last 5 years. Let's talk about the art of hairline design for a hair transplant, which is a very important topic because you want to see the hairline done nicely. So hairline designing is an art. Let's talk about how to design your hairline. Designing a hairline design for a hair transplant requires a deep knowledge and understanding of facial features, hair growth patterns, and the overall aesthetic goals for the patient. Importance of hairline design. A well-designed hairline plays a crucial role in achieving a natural looks and aesthetically pleasing appearance, while a poorly designed hairline can look unnatural and even odd. Maybe many patients, they will not like if the hairline design is not good. So factors to consider when designing a hairline. So first, the patient's age and gender. Second, the shape of the patient's face. Third, the patient's existing hair growth patterns. Fourth, the number of grafts needed. Fifth, the patient's personal preferences. Drawing the hairline design. Once these factors are taken into consideration, the surgeon will draw the hairline design directly onto the patient's scalp using a marker pen. A well-designed hairline can make or break the outcome of a hair transplant. Reviewing the design. The patient will then review the design and give his approval, or he could express his personal preferences, and if practical, the necessary adjustment will be made according to his choice. So when I do the hairline design, I ask my patient to show their old pictures and then do the hairline design, which gives them the best ever hairline because they want to look natural. So patients has already think in their mind that okay, I want this kind of hairline design. Thank you so much for visiting DNCC.